So this thing here, the service elevator, we're going to check that out later. Anyways, these are the passenger elevators at the Hampton by Hilton in Louisville, Kentucky. These were Westinghouses, modded by Murphy. Let's go down to one. Pretty dark in here. Whoa, just fast. Here are one. Now I'll go up to 8. Go to 8. Going up?
Going up.
Which floor?
5.
5? These were formerly Westinghouse, modernized by Murphy. These are fast. 350 feet a minute, probably say. 5 works. There you go. You're welcome. Have a good evening. Here we go. Here are 8. Murphy modernized these. I think these were Westinghouse. Go back down to 4, switch to the other car. We're going to try to switch to the right car, which is finally working. Hard to see, but really nice elevators. Bruiser, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. Excuse the cough, I have really bad allergies. Send this one up. Yes, I have one.